Hello everybody, welcome to Abdel's Home Cooking. For today's video, I'm going to show you how to make dairy-free mac and cheese. Now what you see before you are the ingredients we're going to be using. First up, some elbow macaroni made with protein and fiber. Next, some Violife dairy-free cheddar shreds. A perfect cheese substitute for you want to go ketogenic or vegan. Next, some unsweetened original almond breeze almond milk. Now remember, I said unsweetened. I mean, it's a mac and cheese recipe. We're not making mac and cheese cake. Get it? Anyway, and the spices we're using are Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, salt, and black pepper. I know it's pretty obvious at this point, but hey, if it ain't broke, don't fix it. Now, before we begin, be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, share my channel videos with others to keep the channel growing, and comment down below what you want to see me make next. I'm always open to suggestions, so long as it's not pork-based or seafood-based. Well, pork-based being because I'm Muslim and we're not allowed to eat pork. And the seafood-based, well, I never actually made seafood, and well, I just don't like seafood. I just don't like seafood general. I mean, you know what the kind of garbage they throw into the ocean? It's not going in my temple. But anyway, well, all that said, let's get started on today's dish. First, we grab a small pot like this and fill it with water like so. Then we turn on the stovetop, turn on the stove fan, next we're gonna add a few shakes of salt. Then we wait until the water starts steaming. Alright, next we add one cup of the protein macaroni. And give it a little stir. And we leave it in there for 5 to 10 minutes or so, or until the macaroni is tender. Just be sure to stir occasionally during the time. Now, when the foam about the pasta gets too high, try simply lowering the heat a little. This way we'll prevent any burning spills. Okay, now after the pasta is done boiling, you strain it to a strainer like so. Now it's time to get quote-unquote cheesy. Okay, first we put a third fourth cup of the vegan cheddar, then a half cup of almond milk, plus a fourth cup to be safe. Then we add in our seasonings. First, the Italian seasoning. Then the onion powder. Garlic powder next. The pink Himalayan salt. And a ground black pepper. Then we turn the stove top on medium. Stir it all in, like so. Until the vegan cheddar starts to melt. Actually, make that medium high. Turn off the stove. Turn off the stovetop, and just like that, we got our delicious dairy-free mac and cheese. Please. So if you're going ketogenic or vegan and want to relive your childhood, this is the dish for you. Well, everybody, that's going to be it for today's video. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment down below what you want to see me make next, and share my channel and videos with others to keep the channel growing. Thank you so much for watching, and until next time, bon appetit!